everyone, get ready to be amazed by a plant that's more than just a lawn invader. It's the dandelion, the superstar of the herb world. Dandelion, scientifically known as Taraxacum officinale, is a versatile and nutritious herb that has been cherished for centuries. Here's why. Uses and advantages. Dandelion is renowned for its liver detoxification properties, promoting digestive health and acting as a natural diuretic. And a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins A, C, K, and an array of essential minerals. Watering cycle. Dandelions thrive with moderate watering. Aim to water them every 3 to 5 days to keep them happy and healthy. Season for growth. They grow best in the mild temperatures of spring and fall, making these seasons the perfect time to cultivate your dandelion garden. Harvest. You can harvest the leaves and roots throughout the growing season. Fresh greens for your salads or roots for your teas, the choice is yours. Soil. Dandelions prefer well-drained, fertile soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.5. Give them a good home, and they'll reward you abundantly. Medicinal uses. Dandelions have a variety of medicinal uses, including boosting the immune system and reducing inflammation, improving skin health and fighting acne, supporting heart health by managing cholesterol levels. Turn your garden gold with dandelions, nature's little miracle worker. So why wait? Embrace the power of the dandelion and let this humble herb transform your health and garden. Well, this is SMF, a botanist dedicated to educating about the medicinal benefits of plants. Please subscribe to Botanics by SMF and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's join the leafy adventure together.